If you want to add pedometer to the home screen on the Xiaomi 15T and 15T Pro, what you can do is you can press and hold your finger on an empty space in the home screen in order to go into this editing mode. And then over here at the bottom we can go to widgets. Now once you open widgets, the next thing that we can do is simply try to find the step counter in here. So for example, I have the step counter in this place. So I can just tap on it and then choose add to home screen, so that it will be added pretty much immediately. We can tap on done, and then we can tap again in order to, of course, press agree so that the app can actually count these steps. We can also change the goal over here, how many steps we want to do per day. And then, of course, we have this step counter widget. But there's also one more widget that we can use and one more app as an alternative. And in this case, what we need to do is you will need to pretty much find the Android widgets. So as you can see, we have a bunch of different widgets in here first, and it seems that we cannot actually find it immediately. So let me try to start all over, because we should actually have it somewhere at the top. There we go, Android widgets. This is what we are looking for. So once we go to Android widgets, we should be able to find the Fitbit app, I believe. Let's try to find it. Unfortunately, the list is not sorted alphabetically. I guess there is not added. It is not added to the list over here, so I'm just gonna check if we have it installed, because there is a chance that you don't have it. Yeah, so we don't have Fitbit, so instead we're gonna go to the Play Store first, and we can install the Fitbit app. This is an app made by Google, which can also be used as the pedometer. We're gonna install it over here, and so once it is installed, it is also pretty easy to set up. We can use our Google account to quickly sign in. There we go. So I'm gonna choose sign in with Google. I'm gonna press continue. It is also pretty easy to set up the account as well. So if you didn't set it up before, you'll have easy time to set it up. So we can set permissions. There we go. And we have our step counter, which we can also customize, I believe. If we go to activity settings, then we can change the step counter in here. And now we can also add the widget as well. So let's go to widgets, then choose Android widgets, and we should be able to find the Fitbit in here. Let's see, there we go. And I'm gonna use this 2x2 because this is the one that has this step counter. And there we go. So we have technically two options. If you actually want to use something more minimalistic, then you can download the Fitbit app and use this widget. And if you want to use something that is already there, then we can use this one instead. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.